Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. If you have ever looked at a bridge, a phone, a car, or even a bike and wondered, how did people create this? You're basically asking the same question engineers ask every single day. Today we are going to break down what truly engineering is in a simplest possible way. Some people define engineering as the art of solving problems using science, mathematics, creativity, and practical thinking. So today, I will tell you how I perceive this word engineering in my head and in my heart. Engineering is understanding how things work and finding a better way to make them work. So every single thing you see around you, from building to computers to transport systems, was once a problem. Engineers solve it. Engineering exists because people need shelter. Engineers design buildings. People also need transportation. Engineers build cars, trains, and planes. People also need clean water. So engineers design filtration system in order to make it easier for them to get a clean water. People also need communication. Engineers create phones and the internet where you can use to reach out so many people that are far from you. In a simple word, engineering makes human life easier, safer, faster, and much more better. Engineers look at the world and think, what is the problem here and how can I fix it? Every engineering solution follows a process. It doesn't matter if you're building a robot or designing a skyscraper, the steps are the same. First, you need to define the problem. You need to know what needs to be solved before solving it. Secondly, you research what already exists, what equation matters, and what material are the best for creating this. Since you find a problem, then you design the solution. By designing the solution, you have to sketch, make the prototype, the simulation, and also the diagram. Then you build. You turn the design into a real object or a system. Then you test and ask yourself these two questions. Did it work? And what failed? The last thing, improve. You make sure you improve whatever you're trying to do, not even in engineering. You fix all the weak points, make it stronger, cheaper, and more efficient. This cycle repeats over and over until the final result is reliable. That's the real magic of engineering. Improvement never stops. Let me list the types of engineering. Yeah, engineering is huge, but here are the main branches that I can explain simply. First, we have the mechanical engineering, which deals with the things that move. For example, engines, machines, gears, and robots. Then, electrical engineering, electricity, circuit, power system, and electronics. The third thing is that we have civil engineering. It deals with bridges, roads, dams, buildings, and basic infrastructure. Then we have the computer or the software engineering that deals with the programming, algorithm, apps, and computer system. Then the chemical engineering. It deals with fuels, plastic components, materials, chemical processes, and pharmaceutical. We also have the aerospace engineering. One of the top vast engineering is the aerospace engineering. It deals with aircraft, rockets, satellites, and the space systems, you know, right? Then we have the mechatronics, or let me just say the robotics engineering, that combines the mechanical, electrical, and programming to build intelligent machines. If you are studying mechatronics, you have to be very, very careful. This is a very big course. Then the last one, we have the industrial engineering. They improve factories, logistics, and production efficiency. Each field is different, but the purpose is the same. Put that in mind. What makes someone an engineer? A degree doesn't make someone an engineer. A fancy lab doesn't make someone an engineer. You are an engineer if you think logically. You are an engineer if you solve problems. You are an engineer if you ask questions. You are an engineer if you break things down to understand them. You are an engineer if you try to improve how things work. Engineering is a mindset, not just a career. If you naturally enjoy building things, fixing things, experimenting, or understanding how things work, you already think like an engineer. You know why engineering matters today? Look around you. We are living in the most advanced time in human history, but every system around us still needs improvement, like the renewable energy, transportation, medical technology, communication system, sustainable materials, and space exploration. So you see, everything here needs improvement. Only engineers that will decide the future of all those things I listed for you here. Engineering is not just useful, it's the backbone of the modern world. That's all about engineering. Not just machines and equations, but a mindset focused on solving problems and improving life. If you want to learn more about engineering explained simply, or build cool project, or understand how the world works, make sure you subscribe and stay around for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.